Hi, YouTube viewers. Oh. Zoe is about to do the egg shot challenge. I don't know if I'm getting my face in, but yeah. Well, here's Zoe's challenge to the egg shot.
Alright, so, this is, what did I name her? You know, I'm just...
Isabella.
A long name, so I'm just call her Izzy. This is Izzy, okay? Yeah. My pretty little girl. Yeah. I did this once, but, the video was too long, so doing this again. Scared, because I ate a lot today, so if I throw up...
She ate...
Cheez-It!
Cheez-It!
So, yeah, here we go. Bye. She was asleep, so she didn't know that she was dead.
Oh, excuse me, motherfucker. Oh, excuse me. Oh, my bad.
Now, unlike Hannah...
She has to have water with her.
Not cheating. Now, unlike Hannah, I'm not going to throw it up.
Ready? You gotta go by the side view.
No, no more side views.
She just screamed at me. Sorry, I had a mouthful of Cheez-It, so if y'all see it, it's okay. Alright, come on.
Oh my gosh, I'm doing this again.
Oh, yes.
Really?
You're just gonna puke up a couple Cheez-Its. It's okay.
I don't like throwing up.
Oh, it's alright. You won't. You toughed it out last time.
Stop eating in front of me. It makes me feel sicker.
Oh, my bad.
Okay.
Ugh. Oh, she's going for more. She did it. She almost puked though.
That one was fatter than the last 8.
She's choking. Don't puke.
Oh no, I promised him I wouldn't throw up. But it's coming up.
It's so nasty, you want to cry?
I'm crying.
Your eyes are watering.
I'm sorry. I told him.
You almost didn't puke the second one.
Because this one was fatter than the last egg. It was like real fat. I don't know why. But the other egg was thinner. I almost dropped.
Well, that's one. We need more requests.
Yeah, yeah, special videos. So, they asked for more requests, Justin, and everybody else
Out there who has them crazy, demented minds.
No porno.
No lesbian shit.
No perverted.
And no dirty, no nude.
No killing each other.
We don't need no damages or no need.
See these pretty little faces? Can't be damaged.
Stop.
Wait.
Okay. Look, if you want to see more of us, just request. We'll do it. And yeah.
Why does the water taste slimy?
Don't want me to answer that for you, do you?
Bye.